Right. Morning, Friday. Just a quick update on this. The engine, well, I showed you everything is on. The last thing I was showing you was that, which is now on and working fine. Start on, well, all that is on, the prop is on. I put the radiator on, hoses. I'm doing the oil filter, which is that, but I'm waiting on a piece which should be coming soon, which goes here. There's two straps here to hold it in place. This came in yesterday. It's the battery tray, which I will have to spray now, actually, and as you can see, I also started on the body, just filling it wherever there are some welds and like nasty bits.
Music to come, we have Michael Jackson, also from the movie Zoolander, a tune from the Hollies round the corner on Smooth Radio.
And pedals, these are on, so shaft is in, that one is on, onto the clutch, and yeah. And I started cleaning the carb and then realized it wasn't the right one. Yeah, it's a Stronghold, which is carb some other engine. As you can see, so we've ordered a new carb for it, which is easy because I won't need to clean it. When it comes, I'll just put it on and that's it. It's easier to be a fitter than a restorer. Much cleaner, actually. Anyway, and the bump stops are on, as you can see there and there. Yeah, and there. So, anyhow, that's it. And it's Friday. See you soon, mate.